it's pretty interesting. These Acrobat ants, they're in this window seal right up there. They come out and they drop sawdust or something. See it? And it all ends up in this pile. Make this big mess. These are the ants with the have the butt that's shaped like a spade, and they can sting and bite both, and they emit an odor at their enemies. And I've seen them over the years. They're an interesting ant. Okay. I think that's it. Also, too, they, I don't know the word. They allow other ants, some ant species, to live with them. Try to interfere with food sources, they get into a battle. But pretty wild ants. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye.